Today is very hot, but very nice weather, no rain. Outside our office. Hello, today let's have a look at the OBD tracker OB22. This model was released in last year, 2017. It's very small, very mini. We need to install a SIM card inside the tracker, so we need to open the tracker. You can poke. We need to poke both sides of the tracker. Some customer only poke one side. If you only poke one side, it's very hard to open the tracker. So I poke this side and I need to poke another side. So it's easy to open. And here we need to install a micro SIM card. And this is the antenna. And here you can see it also has a very small built-in battery. The OBD tracker is very simple, just plug into the OBD port of the car. Any car has a OBD port. It's very small, very mini. You can see here, this OB22 is very short, so it won't be an obstacle in car. In the market, some OBD trackers they are very long. That might be obstacle for the driver, for the passengers.